In this video, I am going to show you how to create this minimal logo reveal animation in After Effects. So here we are in After Effects and let's edit this template. Let's import our logo. Drag and drop your logo into project and drag and drop your logo into insert here your logo composition. You can see the logo is showing here. If you want to adjust the scale size of your logo, then you can adjust the logo scale and recheck again. You can see the logo is showing here. Let me check the settings. Which setting should I change in this? There is no settings. This is camera zoom setting and this is tagline color setting. I'm going to leave this. Let me add the text. You can see the text is changed. Let me check. Looks perfect. I'm going to render this project. Go to composition and add to render queue.